This absolutely blew me away. Google AI is bringing the newest and best AI model in the world, the long-awaited Gemini 3.0 Pro. And you know what's crazy? This AI builds functional apps, websites, and business ideas on the spot. And you know what's even crazier? Anyone can try it for free. I'm not exaggerating. I've already seen a video where this AI builds a real online business that actually works. And now I'm going to show you the AI business I created together with Gemini 3.0 Pro. So let's get into it. This is Tomasz Czernowski from Tomasz AI channel. Our marketing agency has generated over $50 million in revenue for clients over the past 11 years, and AI now helps us achieve even better results for these online marketing campaigns. My challenge for you is simple. Watch these videos for 120 days, take notes, and test everything. By the end of 2025, you will use AI better than 99% of people and businesses. That's my mission, guys. So let's dive into it. New era of intelligence with Gemini 3. This was actually published today on November 19th of 2025. It's a 13-minute read, so we are not going to read it. Here we can see Sundar Pichai, CEO Google and Alphabet, etc., CTO and CEOs. And I don't want to go through this. I want to show you these AI apps that I already created with this Google 3.0 Gemini 3.0 Pro, because this is insane, guys. This is really insane. But as discussed, I would like to give you some brief introduction, which means introducing Gemini 3, our most intelligent model that helps you bring any idea to life. That's exactly the most important thing that you need to take from this article, from this update article news. You can definitely go through these benchmarks, graphs, percentages, what have you. You will see that Gemini 3.0 Pro is basically the best in almost every scenario, in every benchmark. So, you will get the point that this is basically the newest, the most performance oriented, the greatest, the fastest, the, whatever, all the most best tool out there. But what is actually even crazier is what I saw in this particular video and also what I created it. So once you go to Google AI Studio, which is available for anyone, if you go there and you land on the homepage, you can see that that's new Try Gemini 3, our most intelligent model to date. If you click on it, it will give you the chat window and you can have Gemini 3.0 Pro preview. As you can see, there's the tag. It's new, our most intelligent model with SOTA, state-of-the-art reasoning and multimodal understanding and powerful agentic and vibe coding capabilities. So there you have it. On the right-hand side, you can change the model for the other models here, but you can start, a conversation with Gemini 3.0 Pro preview. But this is not the best thing. The best thing is once you click on the left-hand side on the tab called Build. Once you click on it, you will land on this website. Again, the chat window is here, and you can see that model Gemini 3 Pro preview is already enabled. You can describe your idea if you will, and also you can tag the app that you would like, these supercharge AI capabilities connect to your app that you will be building here with Gemini 3 Pro preview. But you can also click on Gallery, and once you are in Gallery, you can see all these things that were created with Gemini 3 Pro in Google AI Studio. So you can see games, you can play games, you can have beautiful landing pages, you can have some internet favorite, SVG generators, image to voxel art, kinetic shapes. All these apps, you can go through these tags at the top of the page, etc., etc. But once you click on Start here, you can basically describe your idea, or you can do the one thing that I did 2 times already with this Gemini 3 Pro, which is I'm feeling lucky. which will generate a random idea. For example, create a virtual food photographer for restaurant owners. This is the exact prompt I got, and this is something that I will show you how it actually works. And guys, embrace. This is crazy. So the prompt is create a virtual food photographer for restaurant owners. They upload their text-based menu, and the app generates realistic high-end food photography for each dish. Okay, include styles toggles, so the user can choose between rustic dark, bright modern, or social media top-down aesthetic for the photos. So once I click on my apps, your apps, because it's already been created, there you have it. And I will show you guys how it actually works. And this is actually insane. Just one prompt, 22 seconds thought for 22 seconds. Then there was an error. I clicked in this chat that please fix it. It ran for 83 seconds. And it got fixed, and it's actually working. So 2 prompts, and it's working great. So I will show you how it actually looks. So I uploaded a text menu here. For example, I would be some Italian restaurant. So 10 classic Italian menu items organized by course to resemble an authentic menu. So there we have it. I click on these. Sorry, parse menu and create studio. It will create. It created the studio. Then I choose the aesthetic, the style, and there you have it. So how it works is that it basically, I will show it to you right here. So I will copy this text here. So we have it here, parse menu, so we can see it. And again, I can do one more thing here for you. Okay, there you have it. For example, you will click on rustic dark. And you will click, I want bruschetta al pomodoro. There you go. And arancini di riso. Guys, you can see it's powered by Gemini and Imagine. And there you have it, guys. This is crazy to me. You have an app where you can put your menu here, in a text-based input. You then choose your style. For example, if there is any other style, you can, have it programmed for you, no problem at all. And then you have, the thing from your menu shown here, and you click to just generate photo. And there you have it, realistic photo of your food dish. Looks like a photo. You can just download it, upload it to your website, and you are done. This is a good business idea. We can regenerate from scratch, for example, so you can see that you can generate actually a decent images in multiple ways. So for example, this is not your style. You can click again, regenerate from scratch, and there you will have your style of food, for example, and there you have it. So you can then change social media, for example, content. You can regenerate this one, arancini di riso. So you will have it more like social media photos and content, etc., etc. And the crazy thing is that you can actually sell this. If you build this and you will, take care of the security, all the stuff, etc., etc., payment processor, databases, whatever, some logins, authentications, etc., etc. You can actually sell this to restaurants across the world. Just, hey, give me for 20 photos of your dishes. Basically, give me $100, and you will basically get to, for example, 10,000 restaurants, and there you have it, 10,000 times $100. You have $1 million. I know it's not that simple. Obviously the distribution is the hardest part in this scenario. But imagine a restaurant where they need to pay like hundreds of dollars, even maybe thousands of dollars for photographs very similar to this. But they have to have the production day, the photographer, the lighting. They need to create and cook all the food and dishes. They need to prepare it in the right time, design it, then photo, then post-production of those photos. You know, it's a long way. It's a long way, a lot of hours, a lot of money, and there you have it. You can have it for free here. And then, for example, you, if you are a very smart person, you can sell this one for tens or hundreds of dollars, you know, and to thousands or even tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands restaurants across the globe. By the way, if you would like to support me, and you should, because I'm building literally one of the biggest AI channels out there on the internet, on the YouTube, definitely please give a 1 second to me and hit the like button of this video, and also hit the subscribe button with the bell icon. It would mean the world to me. Thank you very much. We are together in it, because I am not able to build this alone. It's gonna take a lot of work, and I will need your support, mainly in the distribution part. So thank you very much for providing the like, the subscribe, and also bell icon. If you have any questions, just put it in the description, in the comment section. Back to the video. So this is it, guys. So for example, this is the first app, and this is the second app. And the second app is build an app that generates high quality banner ads in all standard sizes from a product description and the URL. So it created the app. It ran for 77 seconds. And then I added some change it to create a social media ads, and add a language option for a Czech language, because I'm a Czech person. I live in Czech Republic, in Prague, in the heart of Europe, next to Germany. So I would need it for example, my clients or our clients in Czech market. We would need the Czech language. So there you have it, language option for Czech language. Also add 5 AI features. So it added 5 AI features. It added all the things that I questioned or asked for. Sorry, not questioned, asked for. And there you have it. But this app isn't, it would need like 1 to 3 more prompts to get it right. But I tried it with some products. So you just put there the name of your product, add copy or description, and then and there you have it. Sorry, there is a bug, most likely, because there needs to be the URL link where you put the URL of your product, but I can't see it right now. So there's an error, because previously it was there. I can't see it right now. So yeah, there's an error. So obviously, in this case, you would need to have more prompts to have it, but in this case scenario, it's actually ready. Obviously, some UX UI changes needs to be done, and it needs to correct this app. All the things, with the as I mentioned, with the privacy and security and logins and payments, processors and databases, etc. All this stuff can be solved, but you have the MVP in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prompts, and you have the MVP that's actually working, and it's actually very decent, and it's actually a very decent product. So then I can go and I can also ask it, just give me also at 5 AI features, because most of the cases, if you have an idea and you just created it, for example, here with this Gemini 3 Pro preview, or you will use Lovable or Bolt or the other tools, Orchids, etc. The biggest issue there is that once you have the app, you are basically thinking what other features, what other advantages this app actually could have. And one of the biggest advantage of using these AI tools is that you can actually ask it. So provide me with 5 AI features, etc., etc., etc. And it will give you, and it will put it there, because it will basically think it through. What is this app actually doing? What is the target audience, and what are the features that might enhance the experience with using the particular apps. So in this use case, I wouldn't do it, because it will, we will be stuck here for more than maybe 1, 2, or 3 minutes. So I wouldn't go there, but you can actually test it. You can do it, guys. I'm so stoked with this app, because this is literally crazy. This is something imagine 5 years ago that somebody would just come here, came to your restaurant and just ask, hey, do you need some pro photos? And they say, yeah, we would need those. Yeah, so this 2,000 or 5,000 US dollars. And, oh, sorry, we don't have that much money. And also, it will cost you the whole day. You need to cook all the food. We need to have, good lighting. We need to have all these things needs to be done in order to have good photos and be able to upload them to our website, or maybe even print them and put them in the menu, etc., etc., etc. Right now, you can just email them or send them a DM on Instagram and send them, hey, use this tool. It will cost you like $50, $100, $200, and you will have 50, 20, 100 photos of your realistic looking photos of your food, of your dishes. And you can put them on your website or in your menu items. You can download it for free, copyright free. It's all there. Just, use this tool, and save, tons of thousands or hundreds of US dollars in the comparison when, having a photo shoot of your dishes in your restaurant. So crazy proposition, guys. So the distribution will be the hard part, the idea and the distribution, because the creation of these apps, it will be so much easier than it was like 5 or 4 or even 3 years ago. You would need to have like developer skills, or programmer skills, or somebody in your team that could actually do it for you. Right now, for free in Google AI Studio, Gemini Free Pro, it can do it on the spot. One prompt, one error prompt, one debug, one error prompt, and there you have it. Functional app. Crazy, guys. I can't imagine how the world will look like in 1 or 2 or 3 years, because it's actually been just 3 years from releasing ChatGPT, guys. Do you understand it? Like, do you remember it actually? It's just like yesterday. It's like yesterday that ChatGPT was actually introduced. And right now we are sitting here with Gemini Free Pro that's actually doing something that it's unimaginable like 5 years ago without a team or necessary skills to do it. Right now with just one prompt, I can't code, I can't program anything, just one prompt, second debug prompt, and there you have the app, functional, fully working app that's actually solving some real problems in the world for businesses. That's, guys, that's the AI revolution that I'm talking about in these videos. That's something that you all need to grasp, and you need to think about it like really hard, because this is actually right now, it's actually very solid. We are getting to the point where the vibe coding tools are getting really good in the vibe coding and providing all the necessary code and all these things. The error messages and the bugs, it's still there. It's still there in those apps. It will be there, obviously, but the function of these apps and the functionality is getting much better. So, guys, anyways, this is all from me. I would really appreciate if you could like this video, and you can provide support to this channel by subscribing and also clicking on the bell icon. It would mean the world to me. Thank you very much. Definitely don't forget to check this video out. It's a really good one, so go do it now and don't forget it. And also, we will see you guys tomorrow with the next one. Cheers!